Find features that distinguish it from other brands for GarveeLife 44-inch Propane Fire Pit Table, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. 50,000 BTU Fire Table. The 50,000 BTU Fire Pit Table delivers impressive heating capacity to warm expansive outdoor areas, making it perfect for winter nights and cool evenings. It caters to a variety of occasions, including family gatherings, outdoor barbecues, get-togethers with friends, birthday celebrations, graduation parties, Christmas festivities, and more, making it an ideal addition to patios or backyards. 2-in-1 Table. The Fire Pit Table features a clever 2-in-1 design that allows you to remove the cover for a cozy fire pit experience and replace it with the cover to create a functional dining table. This space-saving solution is perfect for smaller outdoor areas, eliminating the need for multiple pieces of furniture while maximizing your outdoor enjoyment. Stable heating. The Fire Pit Table is designed with vibrant, blue glass rocks that highlight the flames and promote even heat distribution, establishing an enchanting ambience. Its heat-resistant material generates no smoke or ash, allowing for effortless upkeep, while the wind guard maintains a steady flame, making it ideal for outdoor events. Easy and safe use. The fire table is designed for easy and safe use, compatible with standard 20-pound gas tanks, and features a built-in ignition system, gas control valve, and high-quality burner. This ensures effortless lighting and precise flame adjustments for a worry-free outdoor experience. Durable material. The Fire Pit Table is crafted from weather-resistant metal with a rust-proof coating, designed to withstand various weather conditions. Equipped with a protective cover and rain shield, it ensures durability and long-lasting use, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enjoyment year-round. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.